Okay, folks, so here is a balcony room on the Epic. Figure I'll give you a quick tour. So you got a nice bed, nice seating area, nice balcony. We're staring out at Puerto Rico right now. You got a TV, you got a closet on each side. What I do find weird, which I've not seen on another ship, is look at the way they did the bathroom. So the bathrooms are actually split. So you have like a split toilet on one side. I'm moving back to show you that. And then you have your shower on the other side. And then you have your sink is outside, which is weird. They give you a curtain, I guess, to if you want to make the shower and bathroom together, but that's a little weird. I've not seen that on any of the other ships. I've been on the Escape and a couple of their other bigger ships, and I've not seen that. But hey, it is what it is. Anyway, it's almost time to go drinking, so have a good one.